Welcome back to our Unity Timer project, part 2 in Atomic Bytes. We're going to start on editing our timer script in this project. We looked at the floating point value in the last episode, so we are going to typecast it to an int value. So I'm going to just comment out this print statement. You can delete it if you want to. And then we're going to look at a couple things, a new print statement. We're also going to create an int variable called seconds. And we're going to cast it to an int. So we're casting time to an int variable called seconds. And then we're going to have this print to the console, and we're going to print our seconds variable in the console. Then go ahead and save your project. We'll head back to Unity and make sure your console is clear. So I'm going to go over to the console tab after the script updates. Make sure that's clear and we're running good. And then you can also see down here in the very bottom left-hand corner that your time is ticking, but we can look at the console tab as well and see that we have a whole number now instead of a decimal number. So every second is counting up, right? But the problem is that it counts in seconds and it doesn't roll over for minutes. So we're going to add a minutes variable as well, and this is going to be an int value as well, because minutes are whole numbers. And we're going to take time and divide it by 60 and then cast it to an int. So time in seconds divided by 60 will give us minutes, and we'll cast it to a type int. And then we'll change our print statement down here as well so that we can print out both minutes and seconds on our console timer. So we're going to edit this print statement and put in our new minutes variable. And then I'm going to concatenate some text in here as well for minutes and seconds. This will be the seconds variable, and then we'll concatenate over here some more text that says seconds. So we'll have the number, some text, another number, and some more text for minutes and seconds. So when you finish that, go ahead and save it, and then go back to your Unity editor and clear the console from our first run. And we'll go ahead and run it and zoom in over here. You can see minutes and seconds. You might notice that the minutes, we forgot to leave a space between the number and the word minutes. So I'm going to go back and edit that right here and just hit the space bar between our double quote and the word minutes. And then try this again. You can see now it's printing with a space there. So looks like we're good.